In 1968, a submarine set off on a routine mission and never returned.
No distress signals, no wreckage in sicht.
It simply disappeared into the ocean without a trace. How was this possible? What happened to the crew? And why, even after decades of searching, does this mystery still haunt experts? Today, let's dive deep into the case of the lost submarine that was never seen again. Amidst the turbulent backdrop of the Cold War, the K-129 submarine, part of the Soviet Union's Pacific Fleet, departed from its base in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky on February 24, 1968. A Golf II-class vessel, powered by diesel-electric engines and equipped with nuclear ballistic missiles. Its official mission was patrol, but it is speculated that it may have been engaged in a secret nuclear deterrent operation. On board were 98 crew members, all experienced sailors from the Soviet Navy. Among them were Captain First Lieutenant Vladimir Kobzar, naval engineers, and nuclear weapons specialists. The mission proceeded as expected until the submarine ceased responding. The last transmission from the K-129 was recorded on March 8, 1968, while it was sailing in the cold, deep waters of the North Pacific. The coded message indicated normal operations, with no signs of malfunction or emergency. The submarine was supposed to return to base on April 5th, but no further contact was made. Initially, the delay didn't raise concern, as nuclear patrol submarines maintained intermittent communication. However, as time passed, the lack of any transmission triggered alarms in the Soviet High Command. The Soviet Union launched a massive operation to locate the missing submarine, but with little concrete data on its last position, the search was akin to finding a needle in a haystack. The vastness of the ocean made any tracking attempt extremely challenging, and the abyssal depths exerted crushing pressure on any vessel attempting to explore the region. No wreckage was detected, initially ruling out the possibility of a catastrophic explosion. With no concrete evidence, the Soviet Navy was forced to officially end the search, while theories about the disappearance spread behind the scenes in military intelligence. In the absence of definitive evidence, several hypotheses emerged to explain the fate of the K-129, mechanical failure, where small structural leaks or defects in the oxygen systems could have led to a gradual loss of control, resulting in an uncontrollable descent to the unexplored depths of the ocean. Internal explosion, where a problem with the torpedo system could have triggered an explosion inside the vessel, similar to the Kursk submarine disaster in 2000. Enemy attack, as at the height of the Cold War, the possibility that a U.S. submarine intercepted and attacked the K-129 in a covert operation was never ruled out. Mysterious natural phenomenon, where methane bubbles or geological instabilities in deep regions could have led the submarine to an unexpected tragedy. Government cover-up. As some theories suggest, the submarine may have been on a covert nuclear mission and was deliberately silenced to prevent a diplomatic incident. The K-129 remained a mystery until years later, the CIA, in a secret mission called Project Azorian, located the wreckage and recovered part of the vessel. What was discovered, however, remains classified, feeding the shadows of the unknown. Decades later, underwater exploration teams tried to find answers. A sonar detected something suspicious on the ocean floor, a large metallic structure partially buried. Underwater robots were sent to investigate and revealed chilling images. The submarine was there, but it was mysteriously split in two. There were signs of internal damage, but no clear evidence of what exactly happened. Some compartments appeared sealed, as if the crew had tried to protect themselves. Tension grew as researchers realized that some parts of the vessel seemed to have been recently displaced. An unsettling detail: sonar recordings captured a strange sound in the area, something still unexplained. After years of searching, the missing submarine was finally located in a remote area of the ocean. The rescue operation was meticulously planned, involving advanced technology and a specialized team in wreck recovery. Underwater robots were sent to analyze the wreckage and ensure that the recovery was safe. After weeks of work, part of the structure was brought to the surface, while the rest was left on the ocean floor as a memorial to the crew. The experts confirmed the identity of the submarine and carefully analyzed the remnants found. However, many questions remained unanswered. What exactly caused the tragedy? Was it a mechanical failure or an external event? The wreckage revealed signs of internal damage, but it was impossible to determine precisely whether there was any external interference. The discoveries shed new light on the last moments of the crew. Partial records indicated attempts to maintain control of the vessel, suggesting the crew fought until the end. However, without any survivors, the exact details of their final hours remained a mystery. For the families of the crew, the recovery brought a sense of closure. Though the pain of the loss would never be forgotten, there were finally answers, albeit incomplete. A memorial was erected in their honor, so their names would never be forgotten. The discovery also impacted the history of submarine navigation. Safety protocols were reviewed, and new technologies were developed to prevent similar tragedies in the future. The incident became a milestone in the history of ocean exploration and naval engineering. However, conspiracy theories persisted. Some believed the government had concealed information about what truly happened. Reports of enigmatic radio transmissions and erased records fueled these suspicions. Was it possible that something else was behind the disappearance? This doubt would continue to spark debates among experts and enthusiasts in the field.
The ocean is vast, deep, and full of mysteries.
Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding what lies hidden beneath the waters. But at the same time, it reveals how much we still don't know about this submerged world. Will all the mysteries of the deep sea ever be revealed? Or are there secrets that humanity will never be able to comprehend?